About time. For about 20 years now, I've carried a journal, written in it almost every day. That journal's run parallel with my creative career. That started when I was 17. I'm 37 now. That's 20 years of lessons, failures, growth. I've long since considered how to best use this platform. It's mostly been a place where I've consumed other people's content or posted the odd personal project. But I think there's more here for me and maybe those willing to watch. I think a lot of my work has been hidden behind somebody else's name, somebody else's studio, non-disclosure agreement, or it just hasn't fit the platform. But there might be more to say, and this might be the time to say it. I'm not sure what more another working artist has to offer this platform, but himself. A journal then continued much the same as it has been, just not bound in leather and kept on a shelf, but transparent and held up for anybody that wants to see it. So for whoever's interested, as Hemingway said of storytelling, it's simple. You just sit at the typewriter and bleed.